In this video, I'll show you how to create your own LUTs in DaVinci Resolve and reuse it on other clips or projects. So let's jump straight in. Start by finishing your color grade on a clip in the color page. Make sure you're happy with the look because the LUTs will capture everything you've done in the node tree. Once your grade is done, go to the top left of the color page and enable Clips mode if it's not already active. This makes sure you're exporting the LUTs from the selected clip, not from a still or gallery item. Now, right-click directly on the image viewer. In the menu, choose Generate LUTs, then select 65-point cube. This option gives you higher precision and is usually the best choice for most grading workflows. A save window will open. Very important here, make sure the LUTs is being saved inside DaVinci Resolve's LUTs folder. By default, Resolve should already point you to the correct location. Give your LUTs a clear name so you can easily recognize it later, then click Save. At this point, the LUTs is created, but it won't appear immediately in the LUTs list. To make it available, restart DaVinci Resolve. After restarting, go back to the color page. Open the LUTs panel on the top left, then use the search bar to find the name of your LUTs. When it appears, you can double-click it to apply it to any clip, or drag it onto a node if you prefer working that way. And that's it! You've now created a reusable LUTs from your own color grade, ready to apply across multiple clips or future projects.